Grim Workshops Day. Let's do this. They have a sticker of a turkey on there. That's pretty nice. And I'll be opening this with in my pocket my case trapper. I've been waiting for this for like a month or two. For a month now. Okay. Let's see. Let me see the thing. Okay. First is a card I do have in my hunting thing, I believe. The Grim. Oh, look, an older one too. The Gig card. That's nice. That is valued at $19.95, so that just paid for the whole thing. So, yeah. I have this in my hunting kit. The one. So yeah, that's useful. Oh, by the way, you're like, Gig, what? Let me tell you how I know. Okay. What about hunting kit? Is the next thing for $14.95. Here we go. Tip cord Knot 2 with the Alpine Butterfly Knot. I like these tip cords. Pretty cool. Yeah. The Greenwood Grill, tip cord CM2. That is really handy, I think. And of course, which you could easily make it into a thing. So yeah. Both tip cords, of course, is $1.95. So yeah. Anyway, y'all. That's a nice touch. Anyway, y'all. Peace.